The United States Embassy in Zimbabwe has condemned the arrest and denial of bail of Alpha Media Holdings journalist Blessed Mhlanga, calling on Harare authorities to uphold the fundamental rights to press freedom. Sadabna mashuka takuna kuti panapa marelations amogara muchiziva kuti ezimbabwe aiwa nevakomana ava veamerica ari kuramba achitova wesend nezvitiko zviri kuramba zvichiitika munyika yezimbabwe. Kunobva wasubscribe like what on the bell kuti pina panapa unonyora chiti in a statement shared on X formerly Twitter on Friday. The US Embassy said that all journalists should be granted constitutional protections, including the right to bail and freedom of speech. The embassy said the constitutional rights to bail and free speech should apply to all journalists. Mhlanga was arrested on Monday for allegedly sharing information that could incite violence or damage property. He is facing charges under Section 164 of the criminal law. On Friday, a Harare magistrate Farai Bitima denied Mhlanga bail, saying he might interfere with witnesses and harm the investigation. The charges against Mhlanga are related to interviews reportedly he had with Blessed Geza, a war veteran from the ruling party ZANU-PF, who opposes President Emmerson Mnangagwa's 2030 agenda. The police are searching for Geza to answer charges of incitement and undermining the president's authority and theft. Geza has publicly called for Mnangagwa to resign, accusing him of corruption, poor leadership, favoritism, and rewarding friends and family. Ndo mashukano muda nyuko panapa wana wakomana vachiti aiwa vakomana vekuAmerica panapa vari vachiti zviri kuitika izvi tiona vana Mhlanga vachinyimwa bail aiwa zviri against the constitution, vane marights ekuita zvavari kuita. Zvatokuna vanopomudzwa mhosva achinzi aiwa mukomana akadeliver kana kuti akaupholda that interview akaonekwa kuti inokwanisa kudamage property kana kukonzeresa violence. Mbudza mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Aiwa pinangome section medu mudza mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.